Hi, I'm Donna, and this is my daughter Kira. We're here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge for a family vacation. Today we're taking a break from the park and spending a little time at the resort, but we're going to do something extra special today. Besides spending time relaxing by the pool, looking at the animals, or checking out all of the African art around the resort, we're actually going to do some cooking today. Stick around. This is the Disney Dish. If you've been to our channel before, then you know we're big Disney food fans, and we love to make our favorite Disney recipes right at home. Today, home happens to be our Disney Villa Resort. We are DVC members, and we are going to be cooking right here in our DVC Villa, here at Animal Kingdom's Kidani Village Resort. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we post new recipes. Today we're going to make the banana bread pudding from Boma's over at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is a traditional bread pudding with banana slices mixed in, which gives it an extra sweetness and a great banana flavor. It's served in the dessert section of the buffet line, but if you make it yourself, it heats really well. You could serve it for breakfast or just eat it cold. And the vanilla sauce topping is a must. It's sweet and creamy and just makes everything so much yummier. We've been coming to Disney World for many years, since the kids were very young, and Animal Kingdom Lodge has become one of our favorite resorts. It's a lot like our home away from home. We're DVC members and actually one of the founding members, and we have our name on the tapestry down in the library. It's very exciting. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for some bonus tips about some other activities you could do at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Besides being such a beautiful resort with soaring ceilings, African artwork, it also has African animals just roaming around the property. It's not like any other resort you're going to find anywhere in the US. It really is someplace very, very special. But the other reason that we keep coming back to Animal Kingdom is because of the restaurants. It has some of our favorite restaurants. In fact, the Mara is probably our favorite quick service in all of Disney World. They also have 3 table service restaurants at the Animal Kingdom resorts. The decor is beautiful, the menus are really interesting, and we come back to visit these restaurants year after year. Boma is our favorite buffet in all of Disney World. Chico is a really fabulous restaurant with signature dining and delicious African-inspired flavors. And right in Kidani Village, where we are right now, is Sanaa. I know that's one that you guys really like. They have that naan bread with all the dipping sauces.
Yes.
But let's head back over to Boma. There you're going to find a fabulous buffet. Meat dishes, fish, chicken, vegetables, lots of salads, and even several soups every night, all with African-inspired flavors. If you're even a little adventurous, it's worth giving it a try. Babodi is one of the signature dishes that they serve at Boma.
You need to explain what it is. You can't just say it.
Well, you can explain that.
I don't even know what the hell it is. I don't like it.
Okay, did you ever have it?
Once.
And?
I don't like eggs.
It's eggs, custard.
Eggs are the custard.
Eggs are the custard. Okay, this is why she does the cooking, you'll see. Babodi, it is, actually, I really like it. Ground beef and egg custard mixture. It's actually really good, served in a big skillet. You don't like it because you don't like eggs. Oh, it's lamb? I like it. We're going to make it one day, and we're going to tell you exactly what's in it. Keep an eye out for that video. Boma is also known for the desserts at the end of the buffet line. One of the most popular are the zebra domes, and it's what probably kept us going back for years and years.
Not only my favorite, but my brother's. From a little kid, we would go to Boma just for these zebra cakes.
I think a lot of people do that. It's probably the most popular item and the reason people do come to Boma.
Yes, and now they are also served downstairs at Jumbo House in the Mara, and you can get them in the refrigerated section, so just a little snack.
And it's a Disney snack credit. We love Animal Kingdom Lodge for a lot of reasons. This is a truly special resort with the animals roaming outside in the savannah. What do you like about it here?
I really do love seeing the animals. I remember being very excited about it as a kid, and I really do love the decor. It's very warming and homey feeling.
And just really special. I don't think there's any place else like this. It's almost a destination to itself, plus you have Disney World right down the road.
My favorite thing about Animal Kingdom Lodge are the beautiful animals here. Like, there are some reticulated giraffe, some greater kudu, ellipsis waterbuck, and some gorgeous birds like the eastern crowned crane. It's really great to see them in almost a very natural habitat. They get to roam free and walk as they please and go where they please. You can actually see them from the balcony of your own hotel room. Some of the animals that you can see in the savannah are some ostrich and even some warthogs, just like Pumbaa.
We just saw some big thing laying outside. I don't know what that was.
That's the greater kudu.
Okay, he was really pretty, blended in with the grass. It was really
also
cool.
known as the ghost of the forest.
Kira knows her animals pretty well. Kira really does know her animals. She worked as a safari guide at Six Flags Great Adventure Animal Safari in our home state of New Jersey. We're currently in a one-bedroom villa here at Kidani Village. It has a master bedroom with a king bed, a bathroom, a second bathroom, a full-size sleeper sofa, and a sleeper chair. From our room, we have a beautiful view of the savannah. One of the things we thought we would try today is to make one of our favorite recipes from down in Boma, the banana bread pudding.
With vanilla sauce.
We decided to try making this in our DVC resort kitchen. In our villa, we have a full kitchen, all the comforts of home. There is a full-size refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and everything you're going to see here, all of the utensils, are things that are provided to you as a guest in the kitchen. So we're going to get this started. Besides full-size appliances, all 1 and 2 bedroom DVC villas come completely stocked with everything you would need to cook in your villa. There's dishes, utensils, pots, pans, even some bakeware. Everything you need is right there.
So to find these ingredients, we did go a few minutes away outside Disney property to a local grocery store, but a lot of these ingredients you can find here on Disney property, like the general store at Boardwalk, the shops downstairs, like you can find the milk, the eggs, the bananas, the butter. You can even use the croissants that you can get downstairs for breakfast.
So the recipe actually calls for croissants or brioche or challah. We happen to get a nice loaf of challah bread at the local grocery store, and there are a number of grocery stores around here. If you are staying in one of the villas, you can get groceries delivered either through Disney or from one of the local grocery stores. You can also get groceries delivered from Amazon. They'll deliver them right to the bell desk at your resort. And with that, I'm going to step out and let you take over. You'll find a full list of ingredients and all the instructions in the description box below, and also on our website, thedisneydish.com.
All of the utensils and equipment that I'm going to be using today are provided standard in a Disney villa.
Preheat the oven to 300 degrees.
To start the bread pudding, cut or tear up 5 cups of either challah, brioche, or croissants. Day-old works the best because it will help soak up that custard. To start the bread pudding, we need to make a custard first. To make the custard, beat 7 eggs and add 2 cups of milk. Mix that together. Add 1 cup plus 3 tablespoons of sugar. I know it's a little weird, but just trust the process. Also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that all together and set that aside. Peel and slice 3 ripe bananas. I think ripe is best, so it's extra sweet. This is a great way to use up the bananas that are sitting on your counter getting brown. Now we're going to assemble our bread pudding. In our villa, we had about a 7-inch by 11-inch baking dish, but you can use a 9 by 9 square pan, a round pan, whatever will fit best. To assemble, you're going to layer half of the torn up bread into the bottom of the dish, then place over your sliced bananas, and then the rest of the bread. Pour the custard over the top of the bread and press the bread down into the custard so everything gets absorbed really well and it doesn't dry out in the oven. Take 4 tablespoons of butter and cut it up into cubes and then dot it all over the top of the dish. Now you can pop this into the oven at 300 degrees for about an hour or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Now to make the vanilla sauce, you're going to take 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and 3 tablespoons of sugar and put that into a small saucepan. And add 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir those together and slowly heat them up over like medium-low heat. While the milk and cream is heating up, I'm going to combine our 3 egg yolks and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're going to temper our egg yolks. To do this, we're going to drizzle in about 1/4 cup of our hot milk mixture into our egg yolks while we stir it constantly. This raises the temperature of the egg yolks, so when we pour it into the milk mixture, it doesn't turn into scrambled eggs. Turn off the heat. Now you're going to stir it constantly until it thickens up a little bit. Let this cool for about 15 to 20 minutes so it will set up, and when you cut a nice slice, it won't fall apart. To serve the bread pudding, cut a nice big slice and pour over either hot or cold vanilla sauce. At Boma, this sauce is served cold, but I like it warm. If you want to serve it cold, you can set the bottom of the pot into an ice bath to help it cool down quicker.
Our banana bread pudding turned out delicious. It was warm and soft. It's pretty dense, but it is moist, and the vanilla sauce on top just makes it creamy, and the bananas just give it a nice touch of sweetness. Unfortunately, we didn't get to film the taste test because we ate it so fast. We had it for breakfast one morning before we headed out to the park, and the next thing I knew, it was gone. If you want to reheat it, you can either pop a slice in the microwave or set the whole thing back in the oven. Even if you're not staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, take a ride over on your next trip. You don't have to be a resort guest to enter, and you're able to go around and look at the artwork, go see the beautiful animals, and certainly try out the restaurants. It's a really unique resort, and you'll feel like you went on an African safari. Before you leave our video, please give us a thumbs up. It's really important for us to know if you liked our videos. And actually, please leave us a comment. Let us know if you like hearing all this information about the resorts and the restaurants and the parks, or if you just want us to get to the recipes. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of our newest Disney recipes that you can make at home. Oh, and before I forget, here's that bonus tip I mentioned. At Animal Kingdom Lodge, you can actually take guided safari tours. The Wanayama tour will take you out on the safari to get up close to the animals, and then you'll end the evening with dinner at Jiko. They also offer a Starlight Safari tour at Animal Kingdom Lodge. You'll get to go out on one of the safari vehicles out in the savannah and check out the animals using night vision goggles. There's lots of things to do over at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Next time you visit Disney, go visit the lodge. Better yet, stay there. It's like having a vacation within your vacation. And don't forget to check out Boma and try this banana bread pudding. Or you can make it yourself. You'll find this recipe and more at our website, thedisneydish.com.
Be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes and videos.
See you real soon.